Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen in the story The Rat Trap that there was a rat trap seller who wanders from one place to another place selling rat traps. And he used to make these rat traps in very difficult moments. Why the writer is saying difficult moment? Difficult moment means odd moment, complex moment. Why writer is saying so? Because he got the material by begging from the storehouse, or sometimes he has to depend on little thievery. Okay, but even so the business was not profitable. After doing so, after begging, after committing theft, the business was not profitable. So his life was totally depend on two things, on begging and on theft. Okay, even so, even so, the clothes of this rat trap peddler was torn, rags, and his cheeks were sunken, and the cheeks of this rat trap peddler were sunken. There was crisscross on the cheek. There were crisscross on the cheek. Okay, and he was always looking. He was always looking. He always looked hungry. He always looked hungry. Okay, and we can never imagine that how sad life was being led by such a vagabond, such a sailor, such a man. Okay, and this man always wanders from one place to another place. Okay, and he was always lost in his meditation. He was always lost in his thought. He was always lost in his meditation. Okay, and always he used to think about his rat trap. He used to think about rat trap. Okay, and all of sudden an idea strike in the mind of this man that all around us the whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. The world with its land, seas, cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. And this world is not exist for any other purpose. This world is only exist to set the baits for the people, and when the people are attracted towards the bait, they are trapped in it. They are trapped in it. Okay, just like as we use the cheese and pork to attract the rat, and when the rat is attracted towards cheese, towards pork means sota means the flesh of pig, when the rats are attracted towards it, they are trapped. Just like the human beings, as the world is offering shelter, clothing, food, okay, heat, okay, joys, happiness, all these things are just like a bait, and when anyone is attracted towards these bait, he is trapped. Okay, and this world was not kind to this man. Means this world was not kind to the rat trap seller, to the rat trap peddler. Okay, and so he was getting too much joy to think ill about the world. He became happy to think about the world. Why he was having ill thought towards the world? Because the world was not merciful to him. The world was not merciful to him, and this was his happy pastime. Okay, okay, and during his traveling he has seen the people who are trapped, and he has seen those people also who were circling near the bait, who were circling around the bait, near the bait. Okay, and one dark evening as he was traveling by the roadside, he saw a cottage. He saw a little grey cottage by the roadside. He knocked at the door. This rat trap peddler knocked at the door and asked for shelter. And asked for shelter. And he was welcomed. He was given shelter. This is the first chance when he was welcomed. He was given shelter. Before this, wherever this man had gone, he was neglected, he was avoided, he was insulted. But this is the first chance when he was given shelter. Okay, and the owner of that grey cottage was an old man. The owner of that grey cottage was an old man, and that man was without wife, without children. So he became happy to find someone to talk in his loneliness, to find someone to talk in his loneliness. Okay, and crafter was friendly. Crafter was friendly. Okay, and crafter, who is crafter? The owner of that house was a crafter. Why I am saying crafter? Because in his prime youth, when he was young, he was working a in an iron mill. The name of that iron mill was Ramsjo Iron Mill. The old man, or you can say the crafter, has at once put porridge on the stove, and the food was given to the right tribe sailor, and then after he took out some tobacco from his tobacco roll, which was sufficient for both the pipes, for the pipe of the crafter and for the pipe of right tribe peddler. And then after he put out an old pack of cards, and both of them started playing a game of card, and the name of that game is Zolis. Okay, 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 and and we have seen this one, and now we are going to proceed. Okay, now we are going to. The old man was just as generous with his confidence as with his porridge and tobacco. The old man, this is the owner of the house, has shown confidence, generosity, as he has shown generosity and confidence in giving him food, in giving him food. Okay, in giving him food. Okay, and he has informed to his guest at his guest that in the days of prosperity, he was working at Ramsjo Iron Works. Okay, Ramsjo Iron Works, and he was their crafter. He was crafter there. Okay, but now he is not having strength in the body. Okay, so he has kept a cow, and that cow is supporting him, and that cow gives milk, and he sells the milk of the cow in the market and gets money. Okay, gets money. Okay, and he also told that that cow is an extraordinary. Okay, that cow is extraordinary. Okay, extraordinary for him, and give milk, and he sells it in the market, and also told to the right tribe peddler that last month he has received all the 30 kroner as a payment. The stranger must have seemed incredulous. The stranger must have seemed incredulous, not faithful. The stranger has not shown any faith in the words of the crafter. So the old man got up. Okay, the stranger means the right tribe peddler has not shown any faith in the words of crafter, as crafter has explained that I have received 30 kroner last month. He has not believed. So the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch, and he reached near the window, took out a leather pouch which was hanging by the nail, in the window frame, which was hanging in the by the nail in the window frame, and picked out three wrinkled 10 kroner bills. Okay, and he kroner. What is kroner? Kroner is the currency of Sweden. Kroner is the currency of Sweden, and he picked out the currency of the Sweden. 3 currency means 30 kroner. Okay, these he held up before the eyes of the guest, and he had shown the money to the right tribe peddler, to the guest, nodding knowingly. Okay, he shook his head. Okay, he shook his head and stepped back again into the pouch, and he put the money again in the pouch. The next day, both men got up in a good season. Good season means good mood, and next day both of them got up in a good mood. Okay, got up in a good mood. The crafter was in a hurry to milk his cow. The crafter wanted to go to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought that he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. And the guest, means the rat trap peddler, thought that it is not good to be in the bed, to stay in the bed when the master of the house had already gotten up. Okay. Then they left the cottage at the same time. Both of them left the cottage. Both of them, means rat trap peddler and the crafter, both of them left the cottage at the same time. The crafter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. Okay, the crafter locked the door and pocketed the key, or put the key in his pocket. The man with the rat trap said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. Okay, and the rat trap peddler thanked to the crafter for giving him shelter, giving him food, giving him tobacco, and then after said goodbye, and both of them went on their own way. Both of them went on their own way. Okay, but half an hour later, dear students, try to get that that crafter, sorry, that trap peddler was not having good thought towards the world, and this is the first chance when he is shown kindness by someone, but he was in the mood of robbing this man. And half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. Half an hour later, the rat trap peddler came and stood before the door. He did not try to get in, and the rat trap peddler has not tried to enter in the house. However, he only went to the window, and he reached near the window, smashed a pane. Smashed means broken into pieces, shattered, hit with a force. Okay, hit with a force, or broke into pieces, or shattered. And the rat trap peddler has, ठीक ना, broken the window panes, okay, window pane, and stuck in his hand and got hold the pouch with the 30 kroner. Stuck in means thrust, and he thrust his hand inside the window. Okay, and he got the pouch of the 30 kroner. He took the money, okay, and thrust it into his own pocket, and he took the money, he collected the money from the pouch, and he took this money in his pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. And then after he hung the leather pouch very carefully, ठीक ना, very carefully, ठीक ना, by the nail near the window, and he went on his own way. Okay. Okay guys, here you are seeing some question. I am stopping here to explain the chapter. Now I will discuss about those questions which is titled as think as you read. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? Okay, as the peddler walked along the road every day selling his rat traps, he had nothing to do except thinking. But one day he fell into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its land, seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. It offered riches, joys, shelter, clothing, everything to the human beings, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork to the rats. As soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. Then everything came to an end. Okay. Yes. If you like, you can give the answer of the first question in this way. In a easy way, the peddler had been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. It existed only to set baits for people. It existed only to set baits for the people. It offered riches, joy, shelter, food, heat, and clothing in the same manner as the rat trap offered cheese and pork, and as soon as anyone lets himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. Okay, the next question. Why was he amused by this idea? Why was he amused by this idea? This idea was fascinating to him. This idea was fascinating to him because first it was his original idea. It was his original idea, and secondly, and more importantly, he was very poor, and the world had never been kind to him. Okay, or in other words, you can answer this question in this way also. His own life was sad and monotonous. He walked laboriously from place to place. The world had never been kind to him, so during his gloomy ploddings, this idea became his favorite pastime. He was amused how people let themselves be caught in the dangerous rat trap or snare, or how others were still circling around the bait. Third question. Did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crafter? Did the peddler, once again I am repeating the question, did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crafter? Okay, the crafter served him porridge for supper and tobacco for his pipe. He also played a game of cards with him till bedtime. This hospitality was unexpected as people usually made sour faces when the peddler asked for shelter. Okay, and the answer of this question may be given in this way. No, the peddler did not expect such a nice behavior at all from the crafter, because he generally met the thrice and unwelcome faces whenever or wherever he knocked the door of anyone. Question number 4. Why was the crafter so talkative? Why was the crafter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? Why was the crafter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? The crafter was talkative and friendly to the peddler because he generally lived all alone, had no wife, no children, and he really had any visitors to talk to him. And second thing, crafter was kind-hearted person. The answer of this question may be given in this way also. The crafter's circumstances and temperament made him so talkative and friendly with the peddler. Since he had no wife or child, he was happy to get someone to talk in his loneliness. And second thing, he was quite generous with his confidence. Okay, as you have seen in the line. Okay guys, next question is why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? Why did he show 30 kroner to the peddler? The crafter had told the peddler that by supplying his cow's milk to the creamery, he had received 30 kroner in payment. The peddler seemed to doubt it. So, in order to assure his guest to the truth, he sold the 30 krona to the peddler. He sold the 30 krona to the peddler. Okay. And the answer of this question may be given in this also. The old man sold the 30 krona to the peddler because he thought that the peddler did not believe on his saying that the cow is just like a boss and give him enough milk, which he sold in the dairy and earned money. And he told him that he has received 30 kroner previous month. In these words, the peddler was not having belief. This is the reason that the crafter went near the window and put out the leather pouch which was hanging by the nail near the window and opened it and showed him the money. Did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crafter? Okay, no, the peddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crafter because he stole the 30 kroner sown by the crafter. He stole the 30 kroner sown by the crafter. Although crafter had given him shelter, food and tobacco. And the answer of this question may be given in this way also. No, the peddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crafter. At the very first opportunity that he got, he smashed the window pane, took out the money and hung the leather pouch back in its place. Then he went away. So we can say that no, the peddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crafter. Okay guys, this chapter is very important, so I am going very slowly so that you could understand it properly. Next day we will deal with the next line and the possible questions will also be discussed through the explanation during the explanation. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.